Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Slaughter Food Creations. Paulie here, and I've got a great recipe for you, banana cream bread pudding. So stay tuned and I'll show you how it's done. Okay, we're gonna get started. First of all, I've got some chopped walnuts here that I'm going to toast up here in our pan. And then over here, I'm going to make a simple syrup with strawberries. I've got diced up there. Going to go in with some granulated sugar, and then we'll go in with about half a cup or so of water. Just enough to get it started there. And that'll be about it there. So we're going to get this going on medium-high heat to get it up to a boil, and then we'll reduce it down. And these will continue to stir around on our non-stick skillet here to toast them up a little bit here. And then we're going to get started with our mixture here. And I'm going to go ahead and mash up our bananas. And all of the amounts and ingredients will be in the description box below, or show more section, whatever you want to call it. So let's get started. I'm going to get these mashed up. Alright, our simple syrup is starting to come to a boil there. It's like a syrup or a compote by the time it's done. We're starting to toast these walnuts here. I've got my bananas smashed. So we'll go in with our other wet ingredients. I've got heavy cream, a couple of eggs, and we'll get those mixed in. Alright, I've got that all mixed in. I'm going to go in with a dash of vanilla, like so. My walnuts have finished toasting up. They got a nice brown look to them, so I can take those off of the heat now and set those to the side. Alright, I've got our vanilla in there, so I'm going to go in with a pinch of salt, some brown sugar, okay, so I went in with a pinch of salt, some brown sugar. We'll get that in there. We got some cinnamon here, and we've got some nutmeg. And we'll get all of our dry ingredients mixed in there, spices. And I got a pinch of salt to help with bring the flavor together. Okay, before I got my simple syrup or strawberry compote started here, and my almonds toasting, I preheated my oven to 350. So we got that already going. But here is our cubed brioche bread. So we'll go in there with that and get that all incorporated with our liquid mixture. Alright, we got our brioche all incorporated in there with the mixture. Before that, I took my cake pan here and lined it or coated it with unsalted butter. So we can go ahead and we can put our mixture into our cake pan. Like so. And get it evened out. But anyway, you see how it is there. It's all nice and evenly distributed across the pan like so. And let's finish this up here so we can get it in the oven. Alright, no better way to finish this off than to go in with some chocolate chips. I'm using dark chocolate, but you can use semi-sweet if you like. But we'll go across the top like so with some chocolate chips. Oh yeah, this is gonna be so good. Gorgeous. So we got our chocolate chips in there, and then we'll go in with our toasted almonds on top. And then we'll go ahead and get this in the oven. Like I said, it's at 350 preheat. So, and we're working on our strawberry compote, and we'll also make a not a strawberry, but a regular whipped cream to go with this. So let's get this in the oven. Alright, our strawberries are coming to a close here, reducing down. And I made a mixture of cornstarch and water, like a slurry. So we'll add that in and get that stirred in and let it continue reducing down and thickening up. And we'll be ready to have that to go with our banana cream bread pudding. Hey, we pulled it out of the oven. It's nice and golden brown and gorgeous. Look at that. So we're gonna let it sit for about 10 minutes at least before I go in to slice it up and serve it and plate it up. But there you go, fresh out of the oven. It smells so good. So in just a few minutes we'll get it plated up. All right, let's get plating here. Now when I went to put my dish in the oven, I said that they were toasted almonds, but not almonds. I put toasted walnuts in there. But anyway, there's our strawberry compote there. Simple syrup, like so. Get a piece of our banana cream bread pudding. And if a piece falls out, it's no big deal, because guess what? It still tastes so good. But that's how delicious it is. And we'll get our whipped cream for the top. Alright, we got our whipped cream here. And we'll just go on top with a nice dollop of that. And we'll be all set. Our gorgeous strawberry and our banana cream bread pudding and some whipped cream. Boy, is it good. Thank you for watching Slaughter Food Creations. We'll see you next time.